Instead, I want to check if the string in the middle. So you may have odd number. So let's assume you have 5. Then your middle is this one. If you have 6, then you will have 2 middle. One is this one. One is this one. So you need to check 3 cases.
Okay.
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 Hi, Benjamin, how are you?
Hi, Mr. Cho. I'm doing good. How about you?
Why are you using the capital X? It's a little bit complicated. Why don't you use the equals?
Mm. Oh, okay. Let me see.
It's wasting time. At the end, you get started, okay? I'll go with you later, okay? What are you trying to do?
I'm trying to
Why
see all.
here you have an index plus one? Okay, let me help you, okay? Let me give you the hint one more time. So basically, when you have five odd number, your middle is this one. So this one is the middle minus one. So you check the middle minus one to middle plus two. Middle plus two is here, middle plus not counted is actually substring over here. If you are even number, and this middle minus one the same because your middle is now here. So your middle minus one is checking this one. Then you also need to check middle minus two is actually this one. That's it. You actually don't make it too complicated. You have been making your solution too complicated. Okay, let me help you. Number one, since you are going to use the middle number many times, don't use index, that's too long, just use n. That's good enough. So here, first one, you're going to solve the problem for this one. This one middle minus one, this one middle minus one. So basic, both even and odd cases, you will have that. So let's actually do this. Let's do another thing. Let's try another thing. Let's actually do create another variable. Let's call it Boolean even equal to str.length modular 2 equal 0. So this one will show you it is even. This variable will be true. Okay. Here I have one more O. So in that case, first you would like to check this one if even and index minus 2 plus 1, you return true. Otherwise, you will just check if this one is true. That will also include this one. So you will actually do, you will directly return str, the substring, this one is m minus 1, then plus 2. Use a shorter variable name. Don't use a super long name. That's actually killing yourself. You just keep typing for a long time. Okay, but there's one condition we haven't checked. That is, if ST are the length, that's length 3, you return false. This one you don't have XYZ. Line 2 have problem integer and like integer. This one is pretty easy. You actually make yourself too complicated.
Okay.
Your problem, you did not work on Java for quite a while. That's not good, okay? I don't know what happened to you. You travel or do something, but look like you got rusted. Second one, let me have Benjamin. Benjamin, your turn. Coding need to do every day, okay? I can feel that you actually get rusted. Hi, Benjamin, your turn.
Yeah, give me a second here. There we go. So, 13. I think I just okay, so noms plus. Oh wait, no, I need a equals sum plus I. No, actually, wait. Is there a break function? Oh wait, no. No, I think this one needs an. Yeah, this would be. Can you use index in this case? I think so. Just return sum. Oh, this was bad. Right? What? I think I might have done something with the for loop wrong. It's for in range, right?
This is a function, it's a length, it's a parenthesis. Why are you using this?
Oh, parentheses though.
That's number one. Number
Oh.
two, I is an index or an element.
It's in this case, I'm trying to make it an index.
So index, then this I is the index. Index equals 13.
Oh.
And this one, I minus 1 not equal 13. This is also index or element.
That one's also supposed to be an index. Wait. Yeah, because the numbers. Oh, so any numbers that come immediately after 14 do not count. Yeah, so number itself and then wait. How come this one's wrong? Wait, how did you even get 3? Um, oh.
I'm sorry.
Um, oh, because and. Yeah, why is it printing out the number? Yeah, like for like the fifth test case, why is it printing 7? It's printing the number of it's like for the fifth case
You arbitrarily do coding.
that's
Since the
still
nums
not-
I should be added. And we see still some error.
Yeah, yeah. Now it's adding 13s. That nope. Still adding the 13. Oh, because if I equals 0, so if there's only one index, it's adding the 13. So I guess you would need if I equals 0 and nums I not equal 13. Oh, that's wrong.
Anyway, I don't like it. I don't like this way to write it. Okay, let's do it over again. I don't like your logic, okay? This will be easier. This one don't add, this one don't add, and then add whatever you need to add. That's it. That's a simple logic. Your logic is very complicated. I try to follow it, but it's not easy to go through. This one we have Liana. Liana, your turn. Benjamin, work on it, okay? Think about why it is so, and then redo it by yourself. Erase it, pick up, and erase it, and redo it by yourself. Liana, you finished your solo learn already or not?
Yeah, I finished
Okay,
it.
okay, no problem. Okay, I just asked. Any question on this one?
No.
Within 10 of 100 is this. Within 10 of 200 is this. Okay? You need to combine this or this. Put them in Python. Okay, continue, okay? This one go back to Belinda. We need to make it faster. Belinda, your turn. Up to here, okay. Up to here, okay. You actually, if no bread, you actually return something that's okay. Now, beyond this point, using for loop is a little bit too much. So let's do this, okay? Let's do this. Let's erase it. So up to here, you are okay. B1, B2, what's B1, B2? Well, I don't know. So
Right.
let's see, let's actually do this, okay? Let's actually do this. Yeah, it's okay. I'll keep it there for a while. So, I mean, I'll do this. B1, I'll do str got index of red. Sorry. B2, let's use str got last index of red. So you got these two numbers, what should you do? This one is B1 is -1, you return empty string because you don't have any bread, right? Otherwise, you will have some bread. So if B1 equals B2, that means there's only one bread. Only one bread, you also return empty string, right? Otherwise, there are two bread. Two bread, you will calculate the sandwich part. So two bread, you will calculate the sandwich part. So bread is right here. So this is bread 1. So this point will be bread 1 plus 5 up to bread 2 is here, bread 2. So from bread 1 plus 5 to bread 2. So here we will return str the substring of the bread 1 not bread 2. So not just always use a for loop, okay? Don't just keep using for loop. You have to use your brain to think about it. What can give you the better answer? That's a problem solving part. I'm sorry.
I'm missing an E.
Yeah, your computer is tiny sometimes. Okay, it's pretty simple.
Okay.
Same thing as last time we talked about the middle one. You actually spend time to work on middle. You have to work on the case, not working on trying to type the for loop and then thinking about how to solve it. That's the wrong way to think about it. Okay.
Okay.
Focus on solving the problem using pen and pencil, draw it to see how can you solve the problem before go coding. Okay, next one, Benjamin, your turn.
Okay. Oh my God.
Must practice more, okay? All of you, I think all 3 of you, I think right now is under trained. Not putting enough time on coding.
Here's the overall numbers.
It's going to fail. It won't work. Because you cannot change I in the for loop.
Said I was gonna do that.
That will fail.
I was gonna do that.
What does this mean to you? What does this while this continue mean to you?
keep skipping all the numbers until it meets a
You
7?
won't skip.
Then
You
what does
won't skip.
continue do?
Continue is not work in this case. That's my question to you. What does continue mean to you?
Just skips the value.
It doesn't skip the value. If you understand it in this way, you are wrong. This one, your for loop, while loop will keep looping on this while loop forever. You never get out. That's wrong. Delete it. I told you it's wrong. This way now will not work. Number one, in the for loop, you cannot change I. Here you have I, you cannot in the middle say I increase. That's impossible. That's not okay. Or I plus equals 1, that's not okay. So you cannot skip any index in Python's for loop. In Java's for loop, okay, you can multiply I, but here is Python loop, you cannot multiply I. You have 1, 2, 6, 5, 7, 9, 10. You skip these numbers until 7. So you take this one, this one, this one, this one. You skip these 3. How can you do that? So writing a for loop to start, that's wrong. I told you, you have to think about how to solve the problem. Look at the diagram. How can you solve the problem first? It won't work. You just write a for loop and try to make it work in the while loop. It doesn't work out. Use your pen and pencil. Think about this problem that I show you. How can you skip 6 to 7? Eventually, you have answer. Okay, let me help you. Look like you still sitting there, cannot get an answer. Number one, this length equal 0. This actually no need to do. Your sum already been 0, so this is checking the length equal 0. It make no sense. Number two, this one you don't need index, you just need a number n. And you go through every number for every element from there. You will do something. Because you want to skip, so you would actually like to have a variable called, let's call it skip. So skip initially won't skip, because 1 you are not going to skip, so initially won't skip. So if the number is 6, then you stop skipping. So you say skip equals 2. If not skip, then your sum or plus equals the number. If n equals 7, then skip will be false. You will turn off the skip. That's it. So this one, let's look at it. This one raise up here, this writing age. When you have 6, you write the age for skip. Skip is the variable. So this one skip is in orange color. This skip flag is in orange color. So when you have a 6, you raise up the flag. When you see a 7, you drop the flag. Is that okay?
Yeah.
You're supposed to finish the Java part already. How comes right here come to Python, you don't remember anything? That's a question. I wonder how you go through it, okay? You have to work harder, okay? If you keep doing this, you come back 2 years later, you still forget everything. You're not going to learn any coding. Okay? Next one, let me have Liana, your turn. Computer science need to have practicing every day. If you don't practice, you'll get rusted. Your capability will drop. So if you want to study computer science, you have to work harder every day. Just like you do exercise. You don't run a mile a week, your endurance level will go down. No matter what sport you are in, you don't have an endurance level. You have to train for endurance every day. Cool. Okay, good job. Next one, let me have Belinda. Belinda, your turn. Okay, Belinda, let me ask you a question. What do you understand from the problem? What do they want you to do?
Like, as long as there's a star in the string that the character before and after are the same, you return true.
Let's say every, right?
Yeah.
So here, this every carries some meaning. So because it's every,
So when you
So-
go through every star in the string,
yeah. So then when you do programming, what should you do? Check everyone equal?
yeah.
No, that's wrong. The opposite. Check if there is one that's not equal, then you return false. As long as there is one that not equal, you return false. The opposite logic.
Wait, then what about the third example over here?
The third example doesn't matter as long as you have a SG, you already return false. The
Right.
third one, the first one,
This one, there's nothing in front, there's one in back, but that doesn't It's not equal, but this one's equal, but it still returns true.
I think the first one that doesn't count. Probably they only count the middle one. The age one doesn't count. They only check the middle one. So you will start A that doesn't count. This one nobody care. You consider should be the same.
Okay. Then when you use a for loop to go through all the characters and check the stars.
Mhm.
So if the stars at the end, they don't count that one either.
I think both end don't count.
Both the beginning and the end.
Yeah. So here I think you can start from 1 to -1.
Hmm.
Use a window of 3.
Window.
This 1 - 1 means that you have these every time
You
you're
skip the last one.
you're checking 3 letters. Okay, you're checking 3 later to check the middle one here. So the last one you check is up to here, this one, right?
Yeah. Oh,
Check from I equal 1 to I equals n minus 2. That's the last one. But less than n minus.
was
This is wrong. Why you actually do I plus 3? Your I is right here. You check the previous one and the one after.
okay.
No, it's wrong. Is it wrong? You have this one is actually the same, but there's maybe another one here is different. So you check this one, you return true, that's false, because here you may have someone that's wrong. You cannot return right away. Okay, let me help you. You still struggle in there. Number one, this 10% doesn't need it. You are wasting your time. Okay, you just directly check the character I, that would be enough. Okay. So if that, and then if I told you, you check if it's not equal, you return false. Not checking equal, I keep text telling that, it just doesn't listen. Because you found two of them that's not the same, return false. If they are true, you have to check other one. We are extra available, that's actually wasting time. You got to spend more time on coding, okay? Let me see something wrong. This one, return false. This is I plus 2.
Okay.
Let me see.
It's I minus 1, I plus 1.
Yeah, I minus I plus 1. It's very hard to work on other people's code, you know what I'm saying, sometimes, because different logic. Okay, it's pretty simple.
Okay.
Use negative logic when you have, we say there are 5, let's say 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 5 are all odd. If it's all odd or not, if not all odd, if there is a one even, then you are out already. Same thing here. If one of them is not the same, it is not the same. But all the same means that everyone need to pass it. Everyone need to be the same. So we pick someone that's not the same. Using the negative logic to solve this problem. Okay, that's easier. You check equal, it doesn't tell you anything because you still need to check the next one. If you don't need to check the next one, then it doesn't help you. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You star, you A, B, the same, you still move on to the next one. There's still another star. You still need to check. Maybe there's something different. So you just look for someone that's not equal. So that actually, when you read the problem, you have to be carefully reading it. You want that every star means as long as there's one star not matching it, that's false. Okay.
Okay.
This one, let me have Benjamin. Benjamin, your turn. This Benjamin.
Did I not share my screen?
You are on Java.
Yeah, because I finished Python.
Okay, go back.
I'm back on Java now. So I haven't finished this.
You got to redo the whole thing back many times, okay?
Yeah.
Try to use different way to solve it. Your problem right now is not you don't have enough proficiency. So every time you come back, you kind of forget everything. That's not good, okay?
Okay. Think. It's not +1, right? Mm. I think that's it, right? Should look right. Oh,
Okay,
there we
this
go.
one, Liana, your turn. What does this one mean to you? What are you trying to do? No, tell me what do you want to do with this one?
Like you input code and then you like start with C and then you like keep adding.
Start with C.
And then you like add
So
C.
what will this range function generate? So that's
And like
assume this
the string it adds 1. It like adds 1 to each time it adds 1 more.
Yeah, I know, but what would the number that this range function will generate? Let's assume that you got a variable, this str is code. So what would be this range function or length code plus 1? That will give you 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's actually 5 number. Is that what you want?
No.
So what do you want?
Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So you don't want the 0.
Yeah.
You don't want the 0, what should you do? You don't want the 0, what should you do with the range function? You need to start from 0, right? You need to actually start from 1. You need to go from 1 to this. That will be 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 will be the length of the substring. Right? So what would you do here? You continue, okay? I just give you the hint. Now it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Your range function, the I will be 1, 2, 3, 4. So that what will you do with it? Return your result. That's it. Okay. Okay, we are 9 o'clock. Any questions so far, everyone?
No.
About the night
No.
is still need to work harder. Okay, right now I think that you may feel like, oh, I'm work so hard. I actually in summer I still do coding, but that's not enough. Okay, that's not enough. You have to work harder because the competition is really high. So keep work daily or weekly practice every time. Okay. Okay. Good night then. Bye bye.
Bye bye.